right, so we have 4 cars going hot up Brooker Road on gravel, down mile. All right. Now it's on video too, man.
Yeah.
Real right. So here we go. You guys will let me know if you feel any difference in the grip. This is a little bad here now. Try to put it in the hang that right rear over the ditch.
Yeah.
Try to come back in tight. Got a little into the cheese. There we go. Now we got it. Just in time for the next lap. So is it worth it to come back again?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
You guys
All
ready?
right, one more time, opposite direction.
It's pretty neat now with the sun too, through the wet
Yeah.
track. You kind of see the ground steaming a little bit whenever you get a big patch of sun.
Love it.
A little bit of turbo lag. Let's go. Yeah, that one's fun to huck it in sideways too. Those two spectators are standing on the bank down here now.
Gravel spray. Oh, little much. Nice.
That was fun.
That was awesome. That
I'll let
was
you know too, that's
awesome.
been the most fun I've had too doing it today, so that's good. You and I like you in the back seat, you're like, whoa, like when I got a little wide on the hill.
Oh, that was
My mind was already going to the
fantastic.
spectators and I forgot about the corner right in front of me.
I was waiting for Marcia to touch the tree as we got closer.
We're trying to stay.
But, so we teach pendulum turns, so you get yourself out
Yeah.
of that, so.
Yep. I definitely peeped that. You were like, we're a little far away. No, it's just a little bit more momentum to swing the other way.
Yeah. Alright, let me put it in the ditch. Not one of those ditches. This ditch right here is like my wheel chalk now, so that way I don't have to
that's
stay on the
cool.
brakes.
Thank you again.